Assalamu alaikum. My name is Siamuddin and I am a student at the Computer Science and Engineering Department at Northern University, Bangladesh. Today I will be showing how to create a GitHub repository and upload a project. GitHub is a widely used platform for version control and collaborative software development. Let's dive into the steps. At first, I will sign up or log into my GitHub account. If I don't have an account, I can easily create one by visiting github.com and clicking on the sign up button. Okay, we can create a account from this page. So I have already an account, so I will go to sign in page and I will sign in by using my credential. Once I am logged in, I will be taken to my GitHub dashboard. So now I will click on the new button on the top right corner of the dashboard to create a new repository. So here is the button and I will click on it. It will take into the repository main page where I can keep the repository name. Okay, I will choose a repository name for my project. So medical app. Okay, so I will write some description about the project. So this project will help us to manage medical appointment and doctor details. Okay, here I have two buttons which will help us to visible our repository, public or private. So okay, I can also choose to add a README file, which is a markdown file that provides documentation for my project. Okay, it is not mandatory, I can choose it or not. So let's create repository. Okay, once my repository is created, I'll be taken to the repository main page. This is the repository main page. So here I can find the repository URL, okay, which I can use to clone or download the repository to my local machine. So okay, now let's upload a project to the repository. Okay, I can either upload the files directly to the repository by clicking at the add file button, okay, or I can use the command line to push my project to the repository. I can prefer to use command line because I am very much flexible with this. Okay, so we will go to our local directory. Here is the my project files where we will run cmd, which will directly go to our terminal. So here is the project's path. So at first we will go to the main page of the repository where GitHub already suggested some command which we will use to upload our repository. At first we will run git init, which is used to initialize our project files. Okay, here we have initialized this. So now they have suggested git at readme.md. we don't want to read at this file. So at first we will run git add dot, because this is help us to add all the project files into the git. So enter, and it will take some times. So I have some little bit files, so that's why it is not taken many time. So now we will run this command to commit our changes. So now run the command. Okay, it is committed. So now they have suggested us to git branch main, so we don't want to check out the branch. So it will add the remote repository to the local. So run this command to add this project to the local. So enter, and it have done. Now we'll run our final command to push the project commits. So push u origin master. They have suggested us to push it in the main branches, but I will prefer to push it into the master branches. So enter it. Okay, after completed the process, we will go to our main repository page and reload this. Okay, here we will see that our all local changes or local files already uploaded into the repository. Okay, so this instruction provided by the repository's main page to add, commit and push my files. So now once my project is uploaded, right now this project is uploaded, I can manage my repository using various features like provided by GitHub. So like you can create a branch, making commits, opening pull requests and reviewing changes made by collaborators. There have many settings which will help us in our further operations. So I have successfully created a GitHub repository and uploaded a project. GitHub provides a powerful platform for collaborative software development, so I can feel free to explore and utilize its features to manage my project efficiently. Thank you.